a high courts is there. Now, this is something very important when we are talking about intellectual property actually. So, along with this court system, high court or a supreme court, and then the subordinate court, commercial appellate division, which is a very important actually for the intellectual property related matters. Now, these are constituted for a under the Commercial Courts Act in 2015 throughout India to specifically deal with the matters which are pertaining to commercial disputes, okay, where the value is more than 3 lakhs. So, if value is more than 3 lakhs, you can directly approach to this specialized courts, and in intellectual property like disputes, the damages may be obviously more than 3 lakhs, and this is a probably we can say the right authority to seek a justice, right. So, joint ventures or consultancy or IP, insurance, investment agreements, if some disputes, financial disputes are there, commercial court is authority who can have a these are little stricter, and they are very specialized to handle the adjudication process related to these matters actually.